Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for us, even when you're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom. Inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen this, I will not quit, even if me have to keep crawling out the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry, you try to make things work. You are my first hero, you motivate me to serve. Son about the ball thinking I failed, Dada, value your work. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. Not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times, seems like my life in reverse. Many people depended on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm gonna break this generational curse. Don't cry.